Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in Delhi Weather Briefing. So, highlights of today's Delhi Weather Briefing are that we are expecting fresh spells of rainfall, one over coastal Tamil Nadu and another over northwest and adjoining central India. So, we will discuss about these in detail, and prior to that we will look into the observed visibility scenario, because currently only the fog is the main weather over the country, especially over the northwest India, and we can see here that over Amritsar, Ganganagar, Churu, and even in Rourkela of Odisha, the visibility has been observed by 25 meter, even up to 0 meter. So this visibility conditions, if we talk about next 5 days, so the dense to very dense fog in 1 to 2 stations in isolated pockets actually is likely over Punjab and Haryana during next 3 days, and thereafter the dense fog situations would continue over Punjab and Haryana, and isolated dense conditions would continue. And over UP also, UP and North MP also, dense fog conditions are likely during next 3 days, and Rajasthan may also continue to receive dense fog conditions during next 2 to 3 days. And also over Northeast India, Assam and Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura, dense fog in isolated pockets is likely. And even today over Assam and Meghalaya and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura, isolated places may receive thunderstorm activity along with hailstorm activity as well. So now we come over to the main feature of today's the highlights, weather highlights for the upcoming 1 week or 10 days, we can say. So if we look into the northwest India, so over northwest India, a western disturbance is likely to affect from 29th of December, and under the influence of that western disturbance, we are expecting a wet spell over northwest India. But prior to that, if we talk about the minimum temperatures, so minimum temperatures over northwest India and central India, if we look here, then these temperatures are in the above normal category over Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, and also over parts of Uttar Pradesh. So these above normal temperatures are likely to likely to fall by tomorrow, and the category then would be reducing from above normal to below normal over these parts. So these minimum temperatures would fall over Punjab, Haryana, UP and North MP from tomorrow, and even over parts of East India by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade, and some at some places by 4 degrees centigrade, and then this fall would continue till 28th of December, and from 29th of December, as a fresh western disturbance comes to affect northwest India, so these minimum temperatures would again rise, and thereafter we are expecting a fresh wet spell over northwest India and over adjoining central India. And when there would be a likelihood of scattered to fairly widespread rainfall over these regions, and even isolated hailstorm probability may not be denied over these regions during the period of 30th December to 2nd of January. So, India Meteorological Department is closely monitoring the numerical weather prediction forecast, and we are, as the event approaches nearer, we would be in a position to give more accurate forecast for the same. And similarly, over the southern peninsular India, the rainfall activity is a fresh spell of rainfall activity is likely, especially over coastal Tamil Nadu from 30th of December, and it will have fairly widespread to widespread rainfall over south Tamil Nadu, and especially over south coastal Tamil Nadu, and in general over coastal Tamil Nadu, and during 30th 30th of December to 1st of January, and it may also accompany with the isolated heavy rainfall during the period. And this event again, since it is 7 to 8 days ahead from now on, so we are closely monitoring it, and as monitoring the numerical weather prediction forecast, and we will be updating it, we will be pursuing it regularly, and will be updating all our viewers on the regular basis. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.